Welcome back to another video, guys. And today we are going to be going over, is this trifold hard tonneau cover worth $1,800, or is it better to go with a soft trifold as well tonneau cover, or there is another one that isn't flush mount like this. It's also a hard trifold. Which one's worth it, depending on your daily needs? So let's get into it. As you guys can see here, the brand we have is just Real Truck Advantage. This is one we got right from GM when we bought the truck. And like I said, this one is around $1,800, so a hefty price tag for a tonneau cover. Let's go over what are the benefits of this flush mount hard trifold tonneau cover versus the others. So first off, I would say just the look of it alone, honestly seamless, because you can see how, you can't even really see it on the back of the truck. Very nice on rails. And I would say the price really justifies itself when you go to use your actual tonneau cover and open it and close it. So let's just take one more look at it and then we'll get into the functionality. So you guys can see there's 3 different sections that open. You can also clip it up here after, which I will show you. So let's get into that. We'll open our bed here. And to open the cover, first you want to release, which then releases the tabs you can lift up, which you guys can see how easy that was. If you do remember, I had another, well, if you don't, I had another tonneau cover on this truck actually, and it was a soft one. And the ease of opening it really caused you, or the lack of ease, really caused you a headache, because it was, you had to twist or you had to pull a handle, versus this is all you have to do, push down and lift up. So just the ease of this alone is huge. So you guys can see there, flip one section up, you'll see the same release here. Flip another section up. You can literally do it with one hand. That's how easy it is. And then at the end, if you want to keep it a certain length, again, you can adjust your little clips here and to your needs. Very easy to install as well. You can see it is just on rails here, these tracks, which again, honestly, looks a lot harder than it is to install. But once you get into it, very easy. The only thing you have to watch is the spacing towards the back versus the front of the tonneau cover. But again, very easy install. I would say definitely worth the money when you go to look at a tonneau cover to install on your truck. Again, just flips down, locks in, and that's it. I mean, very nice looks wise and functionality, which is very hard to find, but definitely recommend going for the hard trifold flush mount tonneau cover. Maybe see if you can look into this one. If you guys were looking at a hard trifold that is not flush, maybe see if you want to spend the extra money to get a flush one, because it is worth it. And it doesn't flap on the highway. Very easy, very nice. But that will wrap up this video. If you guys did enjoy, please drop a like. Also, don't forget to comment down below on what tonneau cover you have for your truck and what you think of this one. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.